pinag-aralan ng mga expert na ito isang halamang gamot. Tinignan ko, sabi ko, parehas yung dahon. Ayun, pinakulo ko, pinainom ko. 24 hours. After that, dinali ko sa ospital. Takang-taka yung doktor. Mga kababayan. Ano ang nangyari?
Tingnan ninyo itong balita dito, mahal na Pangulo. Over 30 health workers failed or sickened by COVID-19 got no aid from Bayanihan Act. Ngayon, ayaw na daw nila. More health workers to resign if government fails to address their concerns. Kita ninyo? Nagsanga-sanga na po. Nanganak yung problema. Sabi rito mga kababayan sa report ng Philippine Daily Inquirer, more nurses and doctors might resign out of fear. Lahat na lang fear. Of acquiring the novel coronavirus or COVID disease if the government would continue to ignore health workers' concerns. A group warned Tuesday. Paano na to, mahal na Pangulo? The Alliance of Healthcare Workers said reports that nurses in the Southern Philippines Medical Center have resigned out of fear from COVID-19 pandemic might be replicated because health authorities allegedly face the still rising number of COVID-19 infected healthcare workers. Kita na ninyo, mahal na Pangulo. Nakomplika yung mga problema. All because we believe a lie. The latest numbers from the Department of Health showed that there are 2,669 health workers found positive for SARS-CoV-2. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, mahal na Pangulo, na ipacheck ninyo. Kasi ito report ng DOH based doon sa protocol ng WHO. Ito yung sinasabi natin, you look for, you commissions independent groups to look into the records. Kung totoo na ito, positive sa tinatawag na COVID. Kasi po, in other countries, lahat ng uri ng sakit naging COVID na. If that happens in other country, malamang ganon din sa atin. Kasi po, mahal na Pangulo, ang DOH po, isang script ang sinusunod. Ang mundo po, mahal na Pangulo, isang script ang sinusunod. Script ng WHO. The coronavirus that causes the potentially deadly respiratory ailment. Of the count, 32 have already died so far, while 1,438 have recovered. Patingnan po ninyo kung hindi pa abo. Ipa-examine ninyo kung totoong itong mga health workers na to, na 32 namatay dahil sa COVID. Baka may existing na silang mga sakit. Diluloko lang po tayo. And that is why, ngayon, takot na takot, pati mismo mga doktor, nurses, takot na takot. May issue tuloy sa inyo. Yung mga dilaw, nagsalita tuloy si Kiko. Na pag pinakinggan mo yung sinasabi ni Kiko at yung mga dilawan, maiisip mo parang totoo yung sinasabi nila. parang maniniwala na tuloy yung mga tao. Kita ninyo? We fear that more fellow health workers will be resigning not only from SPMC, but to various hospitals across the country, since they do not yet feel concrete and comprehensive measures of containment from the deadly virus in the country, which will jeopardize their health and lives. AHW President Robert Mendoza said in a statement. Di nga natin alam, baka itong mga grupong ito, mga makakuan ito eh. Di ba? Baka ginagamit lang ito para lalo takutin yung mga tao. Then, mga kababayan, justify the continuous lockdown in our country. Di ba? Mahal na Pangulo, aside from those resigning, many from our fellow health workers felt frustrated and demoralized. O, kita ninyo? We have witnessed the incompetence and neglect of the DOH in the Duterte administration. O, kita ninyo? Alam na. Ang grupong ito, mga kaliwa, kanan. They're exploiting the problem. You see? Pinick up naman, mga kababayan ng Philippine Daily Inquirer, kasi galit din sa Pangulo. Ginagatungan nila ngayon. Comes now the statement of Kiko. Mamaya, babasahin ko sa inyo. Pag hindi natin ito nabantayan, people will be swayed to their side. Why? Because of frustration. Kasi nga po, mahal na Pangulo, we believe a lie. Naniwala tayo sa kasinungalingan ng pandemic. Ang solusyon lang po nito, huwag paniwala sa sinasabi nila. Go back to normal life. Do not believe their script. That this COVID is highly contagious and deadly, tulad ng gustong ipaniwala sa atin, na yun ang nagpo sa atin to lockdown. Kaya ito, napasok tayo sa ganitong problema, mahal na Pangulo. Nagkanda ubos-ubos at nagkanda lugi-lugi, pati kabuhayan ng mga tao. Dahil natakot sa hindi man dapat kinakatakutan. AHW also noted that they cannot be satisfied by the pronouncement of the Interagency Task Force on Emerging Infectious Diseases Chief Implementer Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., who said in May that death toll among workers have stopped as the government ramp up distributions of personal protective equipment to hospitals. Dito sa amin, ang napaka-klarado, malinaw na halimbawa, itong nangyari dito sa pasyente sa amin. Namatay na lang, negative sa COVID.